I'm going to break down for you how you can get started and the secrets you need to be successful getting straight into dropshipping. Now, a lot of people can stay consistent and do good work with many different niches in the world and become successful. With dropshipping, people seem to find it a lot harder or a lot easier. There's no middle ground. And the reason is because there is proven methods. If you follow them, it becomes easy. If you don't, it's extremely hard. You don't just get lucky in dropshipping. So I'm going to give you the tricks that you need to make sure that you follow them proven methods. Number one, of course, is finding trending products. And to do that, you need to use tools. I personally use BIGSPY. BIGSPY is an amazing tool that I use to find the next trending topics. Now, you can find a product that is selling off the charts and use that, and you probably will get sales. But being innovative in your dropshipping business and finding a product that is just beginning to trend, not already at the end of the curve, is going to help you in the long term. And BIGSPY can seriously help you with this. You can search an array of products, finding that trending product that is just getting viral so you can jump on that trend. Number two is marketing angles. And a lot of people don't actually know what marketing angles is. If you don't understand marketing angles, this is the perfect video for you. What it means is the way you're targeting audiences with your product. Now, for example, if you're from the USA, you might use a product for a different reason from someone from China. Okay, now you need to be able to run ads differently, targeting the audiences with the same product but a different marketing angle. Let's use an example. If you are using a brush, okay, someone without hair is not going to want to use that brush. You need to market the advert for them to buy it as a gift, okay? But if you're using it for someone that is actually going to use the brush, you might be showing why it's so amazing to use it yourself and make yourself feel more confident. This is marketing angles, just a perfect example, but that's one thing that you need to do to be successful. You can't just promote the same product with the same angle to the whole world. And the next one, guys, is keeping track of every single thing that you are testing. Make sure you have sheets, spreadsheets, use ChatGPT, whatever it is, keep track. Because if you start testing the same thing because you forgot, you are wasting time and money. Okay, once you've done that, guys, you need to set realistic goals. That's the fourth tip of the day and the final one. If you set goals of wanting to be a millionaire tomorrow, you're probably going to be upset. It's probably going to hurt your mental steam and you are not going to succeed. If you set your goal of making $1,000 in a month, you're probably going to achieve that. All right, set realistic goals, write them down, make sure you read them every day and use that going forward. Guys, these are the tips. Now, getting to the fifth and the final one, okay, this is a different kind of tip because this is something I truly don't believe you can be successful in dropshipping without at least checking out, and that's Fulfillman, guys. Yes, this is the Fulfillman channel. Of course, I'm going to big up Fulfillman, but I truly believe that to be a successful dropshipper, you need to have a perfect dropshipping sourcing agent. You need to have a perfect supplier. You need to have a perfect fulfillment center. You need to have a perfect private line. Fulfillment brings all of that into one package, and that's why I'm here giving you these videos after being super successful in this space. So go and hit that link down below, go to fulfillment.com and check out all of the features they give and just get a free quote. If it's not for you, just ignore what I say, all right? But hit that like button, hit the subscribe and the bell to be notified, guys, and let's get Fulfillment going.